Mastering the future perfect continuous tense in English. Hello there, language learners. Today we're going to dive deep into the world of English grammar, focusing specifically on the future perfect continuous tense. This tense might sound a bit complicated, but don't worry, with some practice, you'll be able to use it like a pro. The future perfect continuous tense, also known as the future perfect progressive, is used to express actions that will continue up until a point in the future. It emphasizes the ongoing nature of these actions and their duration. An example of this tense in action might be, she will have been studying for 5 hours by the time her exam starts. The formation of the future perfect continuous tense follows this structure. It's formed using will have been plus verb in its ing form. For example, for the verb run, we'd say, he will have been running for an hour by 6 p.m. Now, let's break this structure down. 1. Will have been. This is the auxiliary verb used to form this tense. 2. Verb ing. This is the main verb of the sentence, and it should be in its continuous, ing, form. This structure stays the same regardless of the subject of the sentence. It could be I, you, he, she, it, we, they, or any noun, and the structure doesn't change. Just like other tenses, the future perfect continuous has its negative and interrogative forms. Negative. To make a negative sentence, we insert not between have and been. For example, she will not have been waiting for more than an hour when the bus arrives. Interrogative. In question form, we swap will and the subject. For example, will she have been waiting for more than an hour when the bus arrives? And there you have it. A brief but comprehensive look at the future perfect continuous tense. With a bit of practice, you'll be forming sentences with this tense effortlessly, enhancing your English language skills. Remember to practice making sentences in this tense, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Until next time, keep practicing and keep learning. Happy studying!